Now in 99 or 2000, I had been placed in the Cummins unit. That was when the warden, the great Dale Reed, he was at Cummins before he went to Malvern. And he assigned me to the main commissary after I did my initial 60 days, right? Classification. And I went on over there to the main commissary, and right outside the office door in the warehouse of the main commissary, there sat old Sparky, the original, version number 1, with the sweat stains and everything but the electrodes wasn't on it, right? That chair probably weighed 1,000 pounds. And that reminded me of that old story about that convict that had been sentenced to death. And they led him out there to that chair, and they set him in that chair, and they got him all buckled up for the ride. And they asked him, "Do you have any last words?" And he looked up, and he said, "I'd like to live. I'd like to fight again. I'd like to love again. But there ain't no second chances." And so in this game of getting recovered from recovery, getting your life back, being successful in your business, achieving your dreams and goals, going after it, you got to have the mindset that you're in that electric chair, that there ain't no second chances. That, yeah, I'd like to live again. Matter of fact, I'd like to punish them with my success, right? Because there ain't nothing else. It's either life or death. This is what I'm about. I'm either going to ride the lightning today, or I'm going to be the source of the thunder and it coming down. Hallelujah. The mindset. There ain't no other options. I win or I die here today in my recovery, in my pursuit of God, in the love of my family, and staying free. All right. When I ask you, you got any last words? Yeah. Tell them I'm going to punish them with my success. Fluid English.